HeyGen is one of the biggest AI video generation companies in the market today, and one of their products is an interactive avatar. So I'll show you how to create your own interactive avatar that you can speak with in real time. I'll demo the custom avatar I built with Pipecat and then go through some of the code with you. So we're on HeyGen's landing page here. Let's just take a peek at their API pricing. We can see that the free plan has 10 free credits a month, and that is about 5 minutes per API credit. So you get about 50 minutes free per month to play around with the interactive avatar. Yeah, the pricing, not sure how well that'll scale, but yeah, I like the free. So let's sign in. Okay, so we're in the dashboard here, and what you're gonna wanna do is go down to this right here, and then you'll go to the subscriptions and API, HeyGen API, and then you're gonna copy the API token here. Here's this repo that I put together. It's got a README of how to handle Pipecat AI avatar agents, and it has a Tavis one and a HeyGen one. If you want this, I'll give it for free. Jump into my Discord and it'll be there. So we're gonna follow the HeyGen avatar. So let's go into that. Here's the repo. And then you'll see that we'll just put the HeyGen API key here, but you're gonna wanna follow the README and copy it over in with your own credentials. But let's just go ahead and run it. HeyGen, all right, run that. Okay, and now you'll see this log message here, go to HTTP localhost 7860 client in your browser. You could just click on this. I already have it going, so here I am. Now up top here, let's just click connect and allow. Let it warm up.
Hello. No problem. I will let it warm up. Just let me know when you are ready to continue.
Oh, hey, somebody didn't change your voice to match your appearance.
Hello. That's a good observation. Sometimes the voice and appearance don't always go together, but I'm still here to help however I can. If you'd like to imagine a different voice for me, feel free.
No, that's all right. Nice to meet you, and I'll talk to you later. All right, so yeah, this is the cool little Pipecat playground that just comes with it straight up, and you just click the link and generates this UI. It's really nice. And so yeah, that was the HeyGen avatar. Let's jump into the code and see what's going on with it. So this example that I've ran is pulled from Pipecat's GitHub with a few modifications. I just simplified it so that it uses OpenAI for everything. So you just have to plug in just one API key for OpenAI instead of 3 different ones for simplicity, and you can play around with. Yeah, so these are just imports. This is just, we use this WebRTC that was for that playground we just saw. And then we have our speech to text, which is OpenAI, text to speech, which is OpenAI. Voice ID was Ash. I thought Ash was a different voice, but maybe, yeah, the voice didn't match, so I don't know. But the LLM, OpenAI again, and then HeyGen, and we have the HeyGen API key where I showed you how to get it in the dashboard, and you just add it in the environments file. Here is where you would give your avatar a personality, instructions, all that, and then it just this is just code that Pipecat puts together that is really nice and clean and easy, and you really don't have to worry about it too much for this example. But yeah, if you like that, go ahead and leave a comment, or if you want to chat about this, jump into my Discord. Happy to do that. One last thing, I'm creating a platform to play and create AI voice games. You can join the beta launch here if you add your email. I'll let you in when when it's ready. Whoa, why is this image not showing? Okay, I gotta fix that, so I gotta go. But yeah, cool guys, thanks. I'll see you around, so yeah, see ya.